The Repair Depot is a one-stop shop for Chromebook, laptop, iPad, and tablet parts for K-12 schools that repair student devices themselves. When students damage their electronic devices, we are committed to providing your IT department with top-notch parts within your school's budget. So if it's a new screen for a shattered iPad or a new keyboard and touchpad for a water-damaged Chromebook, your in-house repair service can be supplied with the quality parts your team needs. Here's why the Repair Depot can be your trusted parts supplier. Premium quality parts. We source our laptop and tablet parts from manufacturers known for their reliability and durability. Our commitment to quality ensures that your school's one-to-one device program will continue to function optimally, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Wide selection. We offer an extensive selection of device parts, including screens, keyboards, batteries, touchpads, and more. Compatibility assurance. Our experts ensure that all the parts we ship will be fully compatible with your devices, and we are supplied with parts for models commonly used in the K-12 environment. In the event the part is non-compatible, we'll send a replacement. Affordable pricing. We understand the budget constraints faced by schools. Therefore, we strive to keep our prices competitive and offer special discounts for educational institutions. Bulk ordering. Need a lot of parts? No problem. Our efficient logistics and order processing ensure timely deliveries, regardless of the order size. Warranty coverage. To instill confidence in our customers, we offer a warranty on all our device parts, ensuring peace of mind and protection against any potential manufacturing defects. To get a parts quote, go to the repairDepot.com/K12partsquote. The Repair Depot is dedicated to becoming your computer parts supplier to keep your in-house repair service and one-to-one device program running smoothly. Visit therepairDepot.com to get started. The Repair Depot also offers full repair services. If your staff is dealing with a high damage rate or difficult repairs, let us take care of that repair for you. Visit therepairDepot.com/getrepairquote to get a free estimate. therepairDepot.com/getrepairquote.